Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Rococo hair on Dress to Impress. So let me remove every hair that I have here. So first we're going to go to the masculine section and we're going to grab this hair. You can color it to whatever color you want, but I'm just going to go with this one. And then go back to feminine here. We're going to get this curly hair. If I can just find it. This one in that same color as well. Then we're going to grab this hair in that same color. We are going to move it upwards a little bit so you can see the eyes. You can skip this if you want, if you don't want to. And then lastly, we are going to grab this hair in that same color as well. And that is pretty much it. Super simple and easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.